bro? I'm a credit expert. I'm doing a video blog. You guys mind if I ask you guys a few questions about credit? Where are you guys from?
We're from India.
Being from India, do you have credit there in India?
Yes, we have.
Okay, how is that similar to the one that we have here in the United States?
Like it's depend only on the loan, and which is not if you're paying the loan then on time and it's not gonna affect of anything. And here it is like I hope it is mingled with everything. Like you are paying hotel history.
So what are the scores in India? I know here they're up to 850.
Called CBIL, like FICO here in India. It
FICO.
is CBIL, and when you miss the payments, there is automatic system.
It penalizes you, like they do here,
And
right?
if you go for credit for the second time, they will look into that database.
Okay.
And
So you guys feel that the credit guidelines are tougher in India, or maybe a little bit lighter? I know right here they're getting tougher.
Like here is a tough, I think.
It's tougher, right? Okay, so in India, do you guys feel that it's a little bit lighter?
Yeah, because it was not integrated with your rental history and other thing over here.
Okay.
Okay, it's only the loan which you are taking for the house or for auto loan and something. That's
Oh, so it's all also in India is very limited as to what they report. So over here they report pretty much everything.
Yeah.
So when you guys came into USA, you guys had to start from scratch and you were getting your credit scores, right? So assume you guys have great credit scores, right?
yeah, I'm starting.
You're just starting, right? But you left a credit score in India, right? I'm sure it was in India. You left a great.
Yeah,
Credit score
I
there?
do have a good score.
So you have those habits. I'm sure you're gonna pick it right where you left out here in India, right? Cool.
Thank
Guys,
you.
Thank you guys so much. I appreciate your help, right? You guys have a good one. Thank you. All right, guys. So you can see there we have some individuals from India, and their scoring system is similar to the one that we have here. They were very generous in sharing some insights as to how the FICO score is different in India as it is here. Over there, it's not so tight with the credit guidelines. In USA, it's a little bit tighter. But they were very, very helpful, and I hope that information was helpful to you guys. Just go out and see if we can help out more people as well. Yes.